Real estate has cooled off, but here's what's creating the best buying window we've seen in months. Hey, I'm Dean Linnell and I help people make confident real estate moves in Whistler and Pemberton. Let's jump right into what's happening in Whistler. August continued the slower trend we saw in July with just 31 sales across all property types. That's a 7% drop from both last month and last year. But here's what's shifting. More single-family homes sold, townhome sales dropped, and condo activity held steady. Even though fewer new listings hit the market, and August was actually the second lowest month for new listings this year, total active inventory still went up, finishing at 324 listings. That's 3% more than last month, but still 5% lower than this time last year. And properties are taking longer to sell. Single-family homes had a median of 119 days on market, townhomes sped up a bit to 56 days, and condos took around 65 days, which is just a little slower than in July. So what does that tell us? This kind of market creates a big opportunity for buyers, especially if you're patient and strategic. If you're a seller and you price your property correctly and your realtor is marketing it well, you'll still get strong results. Now let's talk Pemberton. There were just 8 sales in August, down from the summer peak of 13 in July and about 20% below the 5-year average. Inventory rose slightly to 76 units, but if you remove vacant land from the equation, the number of available homes drops to 52. So yes, more listings overall, but housing inventory is still relatively tight. Price-wise, single-family homes saw a 14% increase over July and were down just 1% from last year. Townhomes dropped 4% from July and 8% year over year. Time on market in Pemberton was 117 days for single-family homes and just 39 days for townhomes. So overall, the market is relatively balanced with a slight lean in favor of buyers. Now let's take a step back and look at the national picture. Canada's economy contracted in Q2, mostly due to a slowdown in exports, but don't panic. Domestic indicators like household spending, real estate investment, and government support are showing signs of resilience. The next Bank of Canada rate announcement is coming September 17th, and economists are split. Some expect a rate cut, especially after a weaker jobs report. Others think the bank will hold steady for the 4th time in a row. So how's this all playing out in real life? We're seeing buyer activity picking up, more offers are being written, and in some cases we're even seeing multiple offer situations starting to pop up again. The momentum is likely to continue through September as more listings hit the market and buyers begin prepping for the winter season. And this isn't just local. Across BC, sales are rising year over year. The BC Real Estate Association is projecting a stronger recovery through the second half of 2025 and beyond, and even commercial real estate is showing signs of life. So if you've been thinking about making a move this year or even early next year, now is a great time to start planning. I'm happy to talk it through. Just reach out and we'll find your best next step.